You are standing in line at your favorite cafe, staring at the menu, and you just tap your card for that $5 iced coffee without even thinking about it. We all do it. It is just $5. It feels like nothing in the moment. You get your caffeine fix, you feel good for an hour, and then the empty cup just goes in the trash. But imagine if right at that exact second you tapped your card, another $5 automatically went into a basic investment account. You would not even miss it because your brain already treats that $5 like pocket change. People always think they need to be rich to start investing, but wealth is actually just small habits repeated over a long time. If you take that exact same $5 a day and put it to work in the stock market at a totally standard 8% average return, it transforms into something completely insane. Let's fast forward just 1 year into this new habit. You have been tossing $5 into the market every single day instead of just burning it on a second coffee or a random snack you did not really need. At the end of year 1, you have actually put in $1,825 of your own money. But because of the simple math of compound interest, your account balance is sitting right around $1,890. It might not sound like you are ready to retire and buy a private island yet, but you just made free money for doing absolutely nothing. You paid yourself instead of paying a barista. You proved to yourself that you can actually hold onto money, and that first year is entirely about building the foundation. Now keep that exact same chill energy going into year 2. You are still just living your normal life, doing your thing, dropping $5 a day into your investments without a second thought. You have contributed exactly $3,650 of your own cash by this point. But your account is now pushing $3,940. That is almost $4,000 sitting in your name. That extra $290 is pure profit. It is your money waking up every day and making its own money for you. You are officially building a real financial safety net, and it literally just cost you the price of a daily drink. By year 5, things start getting seriously real. You have kept this up day in and day out, and it has just become second nature to you. You do not even feel that $5 leaving your checking account anymore. You have put in exactly $9,125 over those 5 years. But your account is not at $9,000. It has grown to $11,170. You have generated over $2,000 out of thin air. Think about what you could do with $11,000 in your bank account right now. That is a reliable used car, an emergency fund that lets you sleep perfectly at night without stressing over bills or a massive trip around the world. All of that freedom came from just $5 a day. Push this out to year 10, and you are going to see the famous snowball effect happening in real time. 10 years of throwing $5 a day into the market means you have invested $18,250 of your hard-earned money. But your account balance has exploded to $27,820. You are up almost $10,000 in pure, untouched profit. The interest is now doing the heavy lifting for you. Your money is working way harder than you are. You have essentially bought yourself an unbelievable amount of financial security, and you barely even noticed you were doing it because you just let the system run in the background. Year 15 is where the numbers start to get a little ridiculous. You are a decade and a half into this incredibly simple $5 habit. You have put in a total of $27,375. But when you pull out your phone and log into your portfolio, you are staring at $52,610. Your account has nearly doubled your actual investment. Just let that sink in for a second. You have over $25,000 of entirely free money. That is a full down payment on a house sitting right there just because you decided to be slightly smarter with a $5 bill every morning. And then we hit year 20. This is the big one. 2 decades of $5 a day. You have contributed $36,500 of your own cash over 20 years. It is a solid chunk of change. But your investment account is sitting at a massive $89,570. You are basically looking at $90,000. Over $50,000 of that is pure compounding interest profit. You turned a daily coffee habit into a life-changing amount of wealth. You did not have to hit the lottery, you did not have to start the next massive tech company, and you did not have to stress over complex day trading strategies. You just had to be patient, stay entirely chill, and let $5 a day quietly build your empire.